Iris, thank you. Happening today, the man once responsible for taking care of a disabled patient facing a judge again. Nathan Sutherland, a former nurse who was accused of sexually assaulting a woman at Hacienda Healthcare. That news coming to light only after the victim gave birth. Our own Megan Thompson live outside the courthouse in downtown Phoenix. Megan, what is the next step here in this case?
Well, Nick, that arraignment was actually supposed to happen last week, but for some reason it was pushed to this morning. So now the defense, the prosecution, and a judge, they're all going to meet inside one of these courtrooms here at Maricopa County Superior Court just a few hours from now. Police getting DNA samples from employees of Hacienda Healthcare and the baby born from this sexual assault matched 36-year-old Nathan Sutherland, according to investigators. Now, since the news broke, the CEO of the facility stepping down, doctors stepping down, an internal review underway, and a third-party management team has also been brought in. This court hearing today, an arraignment, meaning all parties are coming together to discuss the case and lay out a timeline for a possible trial. Sutherland's defense attorney says his client will enter a not guilty plea. This is the same attorney as the one who was by his side on the day of his arrest, David Gregan. He has said that Sutherland has a young family, has no criminal record prior to all of this, and that there is no evidence linking him to this case. He claims that DNA evidence of the baby needs to be tested by their own team. Now, since the day of Sutherland's arrest, he invoked the Fifth Amendment, not saying anything, only kind of answering questions from a judge on his name and date of birth. So we're wondering if we're going to hear from Sutherland today. We'll have a crew inside when that hearing starts at 8:30 this morning.
And Megan, we've talked about this before, how we know that the defense team here is going to try to dispute this DNA evidence that investigators have come up with. So it'll be interesting to see exactly how all of this plays out today. Will be the next step in this phase. Megan, thank you for that live report.